Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some miniature crochet hearts design. Crafting small crochet hearts in various shapes can be a delightful project. Experiment with different stitches to create a texture resembling that said rough and stone walls. You can design hearts in shapes like traditional cottage, teepees, or even fantasy-inspired geolinks. Incorporate details like doors and windows to enhance the charm of your miniature crochet hearts. Here are some tips for miniature crochet hearts. Choose appropriate yarn. Select a yarn that is suitable for miniature crochet, ensuring it is not too thick for the desired scale of your heart. Use a small hook. Opt for a small crochet hook to achieve finer details. This helps in maintaining the proportion of your miniature heart. Experiment with stitches. Explore different stitches to create textures for ruffing, walls, or other elements. For that side rough, consider using lofts or puff stitches. Scale down details. Keep in mind the scale of your miniature hut. Scale down doors, windows, and other features proportionally to maintain realism. Incorporate color creatively. Choose colors that complement each other and represent the desired theme. Varied shades can add depth and visual interest. Plan the structure. Sketch or plan the basic structure of your miniature hut before starting. This can help you visualize the design and ensure all elements fit all together. Add doors and windows. Include small crochet doors and windows to enhance the realism. Use crocheting colors for these elements to make them stand out. Experiment with shapes. Get creative with heart shapes. Try traditional cottages, A-frame cabins, or circular hearts. This adds variety of your miniature crochet village. Finishing touches. Pay attention to finishing touches like attaching any additional embellishments or details. This can bring your miniature crochet heart to life. Remember to enjoy the process and don't be afraid to experiment with your designs. Miniature crochet allows for creativity and appreciation in crafting charming little structures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.